Greetings, folks. Now I want to show you how a powerful robot assistant helps me achieve my goals. I want to show you the boost of deposit from $1 to a good amount. To achieve this goal, I will request signals from the bot and enter each trade clearly according to these recommendations. I will enter each trade for the full amount of the deposit. At the end of the work I will give you the results. Let's go. I entered the first 1-minute trade clearly on the signal. Active buy. The periodicity of data update in the robot is 1 minute. This is convenient, because on longer timeframes you can update the current information on 12 indicators in the bot reports right during the work. Get Max Bot for free right now, the link below the video. Hurry up, because in a month you will only be able to pick it up for a fee. Also, I want to ask you to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell, because I will publish even more useful content for you. Put likes and write comments, I appreciate it, friends. By the way, that's not all. In addition to the free bot at the link in the description, you will get access to VIP chat with analytics from an expert and a promo code for plus 100% to your deposit. That is, for example, if you deposit $50 you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Promo code works on the first deposit. I've sped up the price movement for easy viewing. The future of digital assets. Forecasting the next financial revolution. Before we dive into the massive shifts coming to digital assets and their connection to trading currency pairs, let's set the foundation right. Because none of what's coming will matter if you're blowing your account because of poor habits. Let's talk money management, your first line of defense. In trading, you can have all the AI tools, all the advanced market data, and all the hot predictions about future assets. But if you can't manage your own capital, none of it matters. That's why the #1 rule for every serious trader is this. Only risk 1 to 2% of your deposit per trade. Here's what that actually looks like. If your deposit is $100, you should be trading $1. Your profit? 80 cents. With $1,000, that becomes $10 per trade, bringing you $8. If your deposit is $10,000, you're looking at $100 per trade, generating $80 per win. The setup doesn't change, the logic doesn't change, but the power increases as your deposit does. That's why I always say, fund your account with the maximum you're comfortable with. Not to overtrade, but to scale your returns without ever increasing your risk. Because in the long run, risk management isn't about being safe. It's about staying in the game long enough to win it. Welcome to the age of digital assets, and it's just getting started. Now, let's shift gears. We're witnessing the birth of a new financial system. What electricity was to industry, what the internet was to communication, digital assets are becoming to finance. But this isn't about just buying Bitcoin and hoping it moons. It's bigger, smarter, more interconnected. Let's talk about what's next, and how it affects you, especially if you're trading currency pairs. Digital assets. More than just coins. When people hear digital assets, they still think crypto. And yes, cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Solana are part of the picture. But we're moving into an ecosystem of digitized ownership, tokenized real-world assets, programmable money, and global liquidity. We're talking tokenized currencies, decentralized stable assets, digital bonds, stocks, even real estate. Smart contracts that automate execution and eliminate middlemen. Everything that once existed only in physical ledgers and human agreements, it's going on-chain. And that changes the way the entire global economy functions. What does this mean for currency pair traders? Let's get practical. The world's major currencies, USD, EUR, JPY, are already in development as central bank digital currencies (CBDCs). This isn't speculation. It's public policy. That means the currencies you're already trading may soon exist in programmable, trackable, digital form, giving brokers more transparency and execution power, while giving you, the trader, better data. Expect faster execution, tighter spreads, on-chain data access to currency flow and macro shifts, decentralized liquidity sources integrated directly into trading platforms. You're not just trading on indicators, you're reading blockchain-based money flow. That's next level edge. Friends, our channel is running a contest with a cool prize for one random comment. You can win $1,000 by performing just a few simple actions that do not require a lot of time. You just need to watch the video from beginning to end. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Give a like to this video. And write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I repeat, only those who will watch the video till the end will participate in the contest. The comment must be thematic. Only one comment is accepted from one person. Spam and messages with the message "I want $1,000" are not allowed to participate. We will choose 2 winners using a randomizer. We will publish the results of the contest once a week in the Telegram channel, which is run by our team. The link is in the description below this video. There is a lot of useful content that will help you develop skills of a modern trader. Subscribe soon. In the meantime, with the help of the bot, I have closed many trades in the plus and continue to move to the top in 7 steps. MaxBot is a delightful tool with which you will really start to earn. Its signals are 80% on average. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. Pop culture time. Back to the Future, but with your wallet. Remember Back to the Future? Marty McFly jumps ahead, and the world is unrecognizable: hoverboards, self-lacing shoes, flying cars. That's you right now. You're standing in 2025, but trading in a market that's heading toward 2035. The smart traders? They're not waiting for mass adoption. They're learning the systems, testing the tools, building systems around digital infrastructure now. Because when everyone else finally catches up, they'll be behind. Real-world example. Tokenization of currency and assets. Big names like BlackRock, JP Morgan, and even Visa are already exploring tokenized versions of traditional financial assets. Imagine being able to trade a tokenized euro on a decentralized exchange, backed by real liquidity, instantly settled, and viewable on-chain. No more overnight delays or shadowy clearing houses. This is already happening, and as this grows, currency-paired trading becomes smarter, faster, and more connected to real-world digital flow. The future is multi-chain, multi-currency, and fully transparent. You're not just going to be analyzing USD versus JPY on a candlestick chart. You'll be seeing on-chain wallets, DeFi interest rates, and tokenized flows influencing traditional currency movement. It's not just technical and macro analysis anymore. It's digital behavior analysis, and those who learn how to read it will dominate. How to prepare as a trader? Here's what you can do right now to position yourself for this digital shift. Stick to your 1 to 2% risk rule. No matter how futuristic markets get, risk management is timeless. Fund your account with intention. Grow your base so you're rewarded more per win without increasing risk. Start studying digital assets, not just how to buy crypto, but how these technologies are transforming the financial world. Experiment with on-chain analytics tools. Even if you're not trading crypto, learn to read behavior through wallets, transaction flows, and liquidity pools. Stay curious and adaptive. The next edge won't come from the same old strategy, it'll come from understanding the new language of finance. So, I've just finished work. Thanks to the sniper-accurate predictions from MaxBot, I managed to go from $1 to $1,239. Get the robot for free, the link is below the video. See you soon at the same place.